Your website got hacked. Don't forget your intelligence is our common sense. We are the voice of Black Hat hackers.
Sometimes I pray at night and wonder what's left for me in my future.
Wall Street didn't just gain from globalization. It has been completely reckless. Took the power, manipulated it, twisted it, broke the laws, and brought the world economy to its knees.
Sick of the struggle, corporate greed. It's all for you, none for me. Pay your debts, stay in line, planet streams, people die. I'm a man, I'm not your product. We're all owned by the bank to keep stocks up. I'm a victim, you play the predator, but I'm a citizen, and you're the senator. I'm making paper, really paper. My money ain't worth shit, it's all fake, huh? I don't got a face, I only got a voice. I hope you got the time, cause you ain't got a choice. This a banger, we're in danger. We gotta open our eyes, we gotta wake up. This is our time, can't you see the signs? Take a look around, we ain't fucking blind.
Act out, we can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom let me speak, cause this is our town. Our town, act out, we can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom let me speak, cause this is our town. Our town, our town, our town.
So what's it gonna be? Wanna save your life? Gather in the streets. Human rights, time to occupy. Don't let them beggars slide. Our schools are shutting down over the greedy lies. We're in crisis, but we can fight this. We can occupy the globe, they won't like us. Cause we're tired, and we're fed up so much that we speak up. Believe us, they need us, now we're speaking. Holding up signs, we ain't leaving. Unemployment rise, dreams die, we ain't eating. Governments are purchased, bankers really own them. Kinda like our homes, cause we're all foreclosing. Money getting weaker, gas is getting higher. Kids, I can't feed you, nobody will hire. Now we're under pressure, man. What you gotta say now? Shove that fucking stimulus, we got no way to bail out.
Act now, we can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom, let me speak, cause this is our town. Our town. Act now, we can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom, let me speak, cause this is our town. Our town.
Police cleared people from Zuccotti Park here in New York, the birthplace of the Occupy Wall Street.
We finally have some good news about the economy.
What happens next without a symbolic center for the Occupy Wall Street movement?
Everybody act now. We can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom, let me speak, this is our town. This is our town. Now we're stressing. Unemployment line, what's a pension? All in due time, boy, your lives see the ending. The economy is sickening. All these people bitching, rising up and flipping. Corporate greed is vicious. All these people talk. Bet your ears are burning. Bet you're on an island where your sweet plan is turning. Now we're all affected. Tired of your greed now. Take our fucking planet, hell no. We will speak out.
Act now, we can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom, let me speak, cause this is our town. Our town. Act now, we can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom, let me speak, cause this is our town. Our town. Act now, we can make a difference if we speak out. How we gonna be if we just back down? Freedom, let me speak, cause this is our town. Our town.
I think that that's what Occupy Wall Street is really about.
We do not forget. We do not forget. Expect us. We are anonymous.